you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Diamond, and I know, oh, this is a bad video for y'all to be seeing if it's your first time watching a video of mine, but if you haven't been watching my videos, I am natural, and I have not let a professional like touch my hair as far as a cut and trim and all of that in forever, especially since I've been natural. I've only been natural since September of 2016, and I have not let anyone touch my hair since then. So today is gonna be so nerve-wracking for me because today I'm going to a professional beautician to let her flat iron, straighten, and trim my hair. And I really want to see if I can vlog it when I get there. I'll ask her, but hopefully I can because I really want to record this experience. And I'm looking all busted because I know she's gonna get water all on my face and everything. So I'm fresh off work and I'm on my way there, and I'm so freaking nervous. But y'all, let's go do this. Let's go do this. So I got my hair washed, and now she did this conditioner that's very minty. It feels really good. So now I'm just sitting up under the dryer right now, and her customer service is freaking amazing. Like, I don't know, she just like, sit down girl, I'm gonna hook you up type. I don't know, it's like a southern vibe to me, and I'm from the south, so I love that part. And I will try to keep you guys updated. I don't really want to record too much inside the salon because I don't want to get people in my video, but right now I'm under the dryer and I'll be under here for 15 minutes. So cute. It's so cute in here. Y'all look foolish, but I just got the conditioner rinsed out after like 25 minutes or so.
Normally I'd be like, hey girl. Normally you won't have to get a trim for a while.
Okay. Well, let's do it.
Alrighty. We ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go for it.
We need to see this dead weight. I'm trying to make sure I get it. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Almost finished, guys. I ended up getting a cut instead of a trim. Like, this is crazy. Now I'm up under the dryer doing some saran wrap thing. I don't know. I'm not the professional, but yeah, I'm almost done. Who is she? I just had to get a quick video. Who is she? So you guys, I have just finished up at the salon, and when I tell y'all, I'm obsessed with my hair. Like, I was supposed to go in for a trim, but then end up realizing like I have so much dead hair, which I kind of already knew that before, so I ended up getting it cut because it was like with the dead hair it was all the way down here, but it was just too much dead hair, and I was like, I don't really care about no length at this point. I really care about my hair being healthy, but I mean, look, it's like, I don't know, my hair is so soft and bouncy. Like, I'm definitely coming back to her because she did an amazing job, and her customer service is so freaking amazing. Who is she? So you guys, I'm finally home where I can actually talk and get a better video. But here goes my hair. It is very bouncy. It is very moisturized. Like, my experience with getting my hair flat iron for the first time was amazing. She made me feel very, very comfortable because I was nervous as crap because it's been like a year and a half. Like I said, I did get a lot of it. Well, not a lot, but I got some of it cut because it was dead hair, and I'd rather have healthy hair than. Anyways, like I was saying, I would rather have healthy hair than length, but I'm really in love with it. I'm really obsessed with it. Definitely, if you're in California, Chula Vista area, you gotta go check her out. I will leave all her information down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Not really a vlog, kind of just me showing you a little bit of my experience in the getting my hair done by profession, because it's been a really long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, as always, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And what do y'all think about my hair? It's like so beautiful. Like, I don't know, it's just beautiful and very soft and moisturized, and I have really dry hair, so I love it. It was definitely worth the money, and I definitely got what I paid for.